Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Kharmlem bringing to the Salesian news across the globe. During the summer period, vacations and rest from normal activities as accomplices, it is not uncommon to see young people, especially from the Salesian world, engage in educating younger children and youth in oratories and summer centers. A smaller number of young people sometimes make themselves available to volunteer abroad, a commitment that benefits the host communities and allows them to grow in their knowledge of new realities and contexts. But it is very rare to find young people who leave their daily lives and security behind to go and bring a smile to children in a country at war. Yet, that's what a group of young people from the Salesian Youth Movement of Central Italy is doing. From July 17 to 31st, they are having a missionary volunteer experience with the Salesians of the Poland Krakow province, with several stops in Ukraine. The relocation in the new casket of the relics of Blessed Artemis Zati, who will soon be canonized by Pope Francis, was celebrated on Tuesday, July 26 in the Don Bosco Parish Church in Vietma, Rio Negro province. The event was presided over by Monsignor Esteban Laxit, SDP, Bishop of Vietma, in the presence of the Provincial of Southern Argentina, Father Dario Pereira, SDP, and the Vice Postulator of the cause, Father Pedro Narambiona, SDP. Also present were the other religious of the Salesian community of Vietma and several religious of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians present in the city, Sister Elsa Beraldi and Sister Estella Herlin, who both knew Brother Zati personally. Students have 4 new classrooms at the Salesian Secondary School in the Zati community in Kapwe, Zambia, thanks to donor funding from Salesian Missions, the U.S. development arm of the Salesians of Don Bosco. In addition to the classrooms, the project also installed new toilets for the classroom. Salesians were able to construct the foundation, roofing, walls, windows and doors of the classroom, as well as install electrical and plumbing. They also furnished the classrooms. About 150 male students and 200 female students directly benefit from the new classrooms. The Rector Major of the Salesians, Father Angel Fernandez Artemi, who is the father and center of unity at the Salesian family, after a phase of consultation and discernment with the Salesian family leaders, experts and members of the General Council, today unveiled the theme and guidelines of a Strena message for 2023. As the years in today's human family, the lay dimensioned in the family of Don Bosco. In his presentation, Father A.F. Artemi immediately specifies that this Strena will have 2 target groups, not only all groups of the Salesian family but also young children, adolescents and older youth wherever Don Bosco's family is to be found in the world. Because he explains, in the light of what most characterizes our pedagogy and spirituality, we intend to help children, especially adolescents and young people, to discover that each of them can be like the leaven of which Jesus speaks. On the Saturday morning, July 23, 2022, at the Don Bosco Shillong Retreat Center, Father Provincial Barnabas Lean Pong, SDP, celebrated the closing mass of the annual retreat of the 4th batch of the Vietnam province. The retreat took place from July 17 to 23rd with 51 conferees attending. The topic shared by Father Joseph Nguyen Quan Quang, SDP, during the retreat week was about fraternity. Brotherhood is like leaven in new wine, and his holy people share in the joy. Psalm of Friday Evening Prayer, Week 3. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.